So guys, if you are someone who is looking to withdraw your crypto and use it like cash anywhere in any part of the world, I got you covered in this particular video. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can withdraw your crypto into cash and also pay your bills using the crypto using a simple method. And also you'll be able to claim $7 for absolutely free if you follow the steps here. And I'm going to explain you how everything will be working. Before starting today's video, let me tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. Everything here is just for educational purposes. And make sure before you start investing, consult your own financial advisor because cryptocurrency and other markets are subjected to risk. So make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing here. So the product which I'm talking about here is known as the DigiFinex Crypto Card. As we all know, DigiFinex is one of the largest centralized crypto exchanges in the world by volume and by the liquidity, which was founded in 2017 and has accumulated 7 million users across 200 plus countries. So they also have their own crypto card, which is very interesting. A lot of bonuses you will be getting. Further more details I'll be explaining you in this particular video. Stick to me. A lot of bonuses are there, a lot of bonuses for you to claim, a lot of unique features are there through these exchanges which they have launched. I'll be explaining you in this particular video. So now if you want their crypto card so that you can use your crypto as a cash, you can withdraw in ATMs, you can tap and pay everywhere you go. Make sure you click the card option here. There is an option of card in the home page. So once you click on the card option, you have the option to click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, they have 3 different card options for you. I'll be telling you one by one. First is the premier card. So this is the detail regarding their premier card. Monthly and annual fee free, deposit fee is shown, spending limit is shown, and explanation of countries, business is also explained here. So for you to get this card, just click on order card, and here you need to pay $5 to get the card. Next is the DigiFinex Lite card. The same details are explained here. You can read it out. Low fee virtual card for everyday use. This card is for free and you can deposit the stable coin and enjoy seamlessly with Apple Pay and Google Pay for payments. And the next card is the DigiFinex Euro card. All the details are explained here again. So once you click on apply or order your card, you have to complete or bind your phone number first, complete the KYC level 2, add the referral code which I'll be giving. And now talking about the $7 which I mentioned at the early part of the video, new users who are going to download and join and get the card will be getting 700 points if only you're joining through the link and the referral code which I have mentioned in this particular video. 700 die card points is equal to $7. You will be getting it the next day after activation. First 5 top-ups, you're going to enjoy a super low rate of 0.3% and you're going to save 0.01 USDT on every transaction you make through this particular card. You can get the physical card to withdraw the crypto into cash through any ATMs. You can also add your card to Apple Pay and Samsung Pay and use it effortless where it is accepted. So guys, now let me show you how exactly you can get this card, and I'll be showing you the live process of adding it to your Apple Wallet and using it for your daily purchases. So first and foremost, once you click on the card, once you go to the order option, you have to complete or pass these 3 verification. KYC should be level 2. Phone and email, you have to pass that verification. A code will be sent to the same, and then you can get all the tick marks. Then press on the next option. So once you press on the next option, additional informations will be asked. You can fill that, your name, your annual salary, expected monthly volume, all that. And again, after that, they will be asking for your country, your address, and you can just click on I have read and accepted the terms and condition, and then press on submit. The initial top-up amount is going to be $15 and the card issuance fees is $5. There is one more card. They have also shown 3 cards I have explained. So this is the first card. Other 2 cards are virtual cards. We can add it directly to your Apple Pay or Samsung Pay. This is a physical card. You'll be receiving it in hand to spend it like your debit card, or else you can add it on Apple Wallet, which is also convenient for a lot of people. I'll be showing you live as I have explained at the starting of the video. Once the review is complete, you can get the card. It will be showing you directly. It will be showing you the balance. It will be showing you the top up. I have top up $15 here. My card details will be shown. Everything will be shown. Now I'll be pressing on add to Apple Wallet. Once you press on add to Apple Wallet, it will be explaining you the steps which I'll be explaining you live in a video here, so that you can complete the adding of your wallet to the Apple Wallet, and then I'll be also showing you how to complete a transaction or how to use it on your daily basis through crypto, how you can pay it. Everything I'll be showing you live. So now once you got your card, this process is adding your card to the Apple Wallet. Just open wallet and then click on debit or credit card. It will be asking you to place iPhone on the card, but here we are going to enter card details manually. That option we are going to choose, and once you have chosen that, you have to press the card number, expiration date and security code which is present in the card details on your DigiFinex exchange. Once that is done, it will be sending you the verification code. The card will be shown. Just press on continue, and once you press on continue button, the card will be added here. So now let me show you how exactly you can use this card once you have added to the Apple Wallet. So I'm ordering some food through the Noon delivery application. I have everything on my card. I'll be just pressing on go to the cart, and here I'll be paying on Apple Pay. So once you pay on Apple Pay, you can choose the payment card. Sunred is the card which we have added, and now I have to just double tap. The payment will be processed, the payment will be done, and I have paid through my crypto for my food delivery, and it has been done successfully. You can similarly do it on any other way. Here as you can see, my food have been successfully ordered, and the payment notification has also been shown. 10 USDT was deducted. So that's how easy, efficient it is for you guys to use this card for any kind of payments. So hope you guys have understood this particular video. If you have any doubts regarding it, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll be making sure I clear it. So that's all for today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.